In part A of example 2, we are to find the critical value associated with a left-tail test where alpha is equal to 0.10. And let's notice what happens with a left-tail test when alpha is 0.10. This shaded region here, then, the rejection region, would have an area of 0.1. That means that the rest of the distribution from this critical value on up would be 0.90. Or in other words, 10% of the distribution would be represented by this shaded area, and 90% would be the remainder from the critical value on up. We can use the TI-83 or 84 calculator to find that critical value. We'll do that by pressing second, variables distributions, then going to 3 for inverse normal. That accumulated area was 0.1. We'll leave the mean at 0 and the standard deviation at 1 since we are finding that z value that is associated with a standardized normal distribution. Then we'll go down to paste and hit enter. If you're using a TI-83 or 84 calculator that does not use those menus to prompt for the values, then the order that you will enter these values in will be the accumulated area, 0.1, comma, the mean for the standardized distribution, which is 0, comma, the standard deviation for the standardized normal distribution, which is 1. Close your parenthesis and hit enter. This will give you the value of minus 1.28, this critical value, negative z value, which is to the left of the mean. And here we see it's minus 1.28, the z value associated with this point where 10% of the distribution is to the left and 90% is to the right.